Hey there, kindergartners, it's Mrs. Riffle, and it's a very exciting day in chick embryology. Even though it's gloomy outside, it's perfect weather for us to candle eggs. So we are going to use our special flashlight, and we're going to shine it on each egg by placing it on top and see if they are fertile and if there is a chick developing inside.
Before we candle our eggs, let's check in on their growth and development for days 9 and 10. On day 9, our temperature is at 100, but the humidity is only 43%, so we added some water to the tray. Inside the egg, our chicks are starting to form down feathers. You can see in this photo from our Purdue Agriculture Poultry website how the yolk is slowly being absorbed into the embryo as it's growing and developing. It's day 10 and we are getting ready to candle the eggs. The temperature is 99 degrees and the humidity is 59%. Inside the eggs, the down feathers appear and hardening of the beak and egg tooth begins. Now let's go back to our incubator and finally candle our eggs.
Okay, so first we're going to take the lid off of our incubator and we're going to check our temperature. It's at 99 degrees and 54% humidity. So we've already candled our duck eggs. I had suspected that they probably weren't fertile because our ducks are older, and unfortunately I was right. So I'm going to use this as an example to show you what a non-fertile egg looks like. There's absolutely nothing going on in this egg. There's nothing developing. So when you place the flashlight on the egg, you can see that the whole egg is glowing. So there's no development going on inside. Okay, you can see this dark spot right there, that is the yolk. Okay, so Maggie and Ben are going to help me by candling the eggs, and they're going to hold them up one at a time, and we're going to count along and see how many have a chick growing inside. So here we go. Here's our first egg. And as you can see, the bottom is glowing and the top is dark. So what does that mean, Ben?
There's a baby!
There's a chick inside. Now Maggie, turn it over and let's see the air cell.
You can clearly see the air cell at the large end of the egg when we shine the light at that end. The chick will peck into that bubble of air on day 19 and take its first breath of air. So it's really important that the head develops at the large end of the egg for that reason.
As we candle these, we'll double check and make sure they're all small and down and that the air cell is at the top of the egg. Okay, here's the next one. That's 2. There's 3. There's 4. There's 5. There's 6. 7. 8. We're having good luck so far.
Yes.
9. 10. 11. 12. So far we have 12 eggs with a chick developing inside. Now that doesn't mean that they're all hatch, unfortunately. Some of them don't. But that's a good start. Now we're going to switch off and Ben wants to candle the rest. 13. Very gentle, Ben.
I know. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. Oh, 19. 20. I hope there's 22. 21. 22.
22. We have 22 fertile eggs.
Woo.
100% are fertile. So we are going to go ahead and take out the duck eggs and dispose of those properly. And then we're going to put our incubator lid back on and make sure that it gets back up to the right temperature and humidity.
Here is a picture of one of our eggs up close and in a dark room. You can clearly see the embryo and the blood vessels inside. The process is called candling the eggs because before electricity, people actually held the eggs up to a candle to see inside. I tried this and I couldn't see anything. The eggs you buy at the grocery store are also candled. They're sized and graded. They are looking for imperfections in the egg and the shell to maintain a high quality product for the consumer. Well, that's all for days 9 and 10. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel at Franklin County, Indiana 4-H, and you can find more information about Purdue Extension and 4-H and our programs on our website at extension.purdue.edu/Franklin.